Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox the ASUS RT-AC59U router. This is the latest version. This is the version 2 which is newly available in India. How to identify if the router which you bought is version 1 or version 2. For that you can look into this sticker. You can see that the product name field, which is Wi-Fi router RT AC1500U V2 black. So, and you can also notice that the month and manufacturing date is October 2020. So this is one way to verify that the router which you bought is version 2.
At the back of RT-AC59U ASUS router, you have a reset button, a power switch, a DC socket, a port for USB, WPS, WAN port, and then 4 LAN ports.
So here's the router. This is really small. It weighs around 350 grams as per the box details, and then it is just 8 inches in length and then 4 to 5 inches in the breadth. It has 4 antennas, as you can see, but looks like they're all non-detachable. Once it is set, it's fixed. There are no screws around it, so you will not be able to unscrew these antennas. This looks classy and then has that premium touch to it. This is really good. So as we saw already, there is a power switch, there is a port to connect the power, and then you have a USB port, there is a WPS, and in the end, if you can notice here, they have a reset button in the beginning. The blue one is the Ethernet port, and then we have 4 LAN ports. I connected the internet cable, and you can see that the light on top of internet icon started glowing after I connected the internet cable. Let me go and configure by connecting to this Wi-Fi network. The default Wi-Fi password will be at the back of the router.